Okay, so we're going to take a quick look at HTML lists. Now, there are two main types of lists. We've got an unordered list and an ordered list. So if we look at just a general Word document, right, we usually have our bulleted lists like this that we can, put things in, I guess as bullet points, or we have our list with numbers, or sometimes you'll have it with letters instead, but the default is numbers. So we have a list like that. We have a very similar thing in HTML with unordered lists, which are bulleted, and ordered lists, which are generally with numbers. So to start a list, we use the UL for the unordered list, a UL tag. So let's go into our index.html here, and this is the same website that I've been using the whole time. Very cool website. Okay, and now I'm going to just add a break in there. We're going to have an unordered list, and what do I want to call it? Well, I'm going to be a bit organized here. I'm going to put a heading 2 in, and I want to say Mr. Walker's Zoo. And this is going to be an unordered list of the animals that are in my zoo. So we've got our unordered list open tag, we've got our unordered list close tag, and now we're going to do li for list item, and we're going to try and not press the colon at the same time as we're closing that. And so now we can see that we've got a list li for list item open tag, we've got a list item close tag, and in the middle, just like we do with our headings and our paragraph tags, we're going to have something here. So one of the animals in my zoo is a baboon. One of my favorites, a baboon. Another one, let's say elephant. And for the Katy Perry fans, we'll have a tiger. Okay. So once I save this, let's have a look at what changes here. Okay, so we can see Mr. Walker's Zoo. That's our heading here. And we've got the unordered list of baboon, elephant, and tiger. Now, that's really cool. But what if instead I wanted to rank them? Okay, my favorite to my least favorite. And for the sake of argument, let's say that this is the order. Okay, baboon's number 1, elephant's number 2, and tiger is number 3. Well, I'm going to have a look at the HTML lists page, and for W3 Schools, it will be on the OneNote. We have an unordered list at the moment, UL, but I might want an ordered list. That's the one I want, so OL. Okay, so if I go back and I open up my thing again, I'm going to change this to OL, and this as well. Make sure you change the closing tag as well. These two need to be the same. And now if I save that and go and I refresh this page, there we go. 1, 2, 3. We've got an ordered list. And so that's how you do your ordered lists in HTML and your unordered lists, just any general list.